Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cancel WordPress subscription. It is very easy. First of all, you need to open wordpress.com on your favorite browser, and once you sign up with your account, you need to click on right hand side where you can see your name, and as you click there you will be able to see your profile. So right here we need to click on purchases. Then here you will see all of your subscriptions which are still active. So this is the one in my case which I wanna cancel. So for that I need to click on this arrow icon. Then here you will see the details regarding your subscription. I want to cancel it, so for that I need to click on cancel subscription and refund. Now here you will see the amount which can be refunded to your account. In my case $3 will be refunded and I am fine with that, so I'll now just click on cancel subscription. Once you do that, just click on I'll keep it and just click on cancel subscription. And yeah, you can see we have successfully canceled the subscription, and that's how you can do this. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.